Welcome. In today's guide, I'm going to show you how to remove an interest on X, formerly known as Twitter, right from your PC. If you've noticed that your feed feels overloaded with topics you don't really care about, this quick update makes it simple to clean things up and personalize your experience again. To start, open the X app on your computer. Give it a few seconds to load the main dashboard, where you normally see your timeline and notifications. From here, take a look at the left-hand side menu. Find and click the option labeled More. This will open a new list of settings and customization tools for your account. Next, click on Settings and Privacy. This section is where you control most of the details about how X works for you, from content preferences to safety options. Once inside, choose Privacy and Safety. It's an important area that helps manage what kind of posts, topics, and users are shown in your timeline. Within Privacy and Safety, you'll see an option called Content You See. Click on it. This menu controls exactly what types of content appear as you scroll through your feed. From there, look for the section labeled Interests. This is where all the topics and categories that X thinks you might enjoy are listed together. Now it's time to tidy things up. You'll see a list of interests, each one with a checkbox beside it. Go through and find the ones you no longer want to follow. Simply uncheck those boxes. Once you've done that, X will automatically stop showing content related to those topics. There's no need to save manually. The changes take effect immediately. After you've finished, go back to your timeline and refresh the page. You'll start noticing your feed looks much more personalized, focused only on the things that matter most to you. This small update is a great way to keep your experience clean, relevant, and enjoyable. That's it. You've successfully removed an interest on X using your PC. Try adjusting your settings every now and then to keep your feed fresh and your time online more meaningful.